Looking to enhance your WordPress site with live chat functionality? Today I'll show you how to install and set up the Tidio plugin. Tidio enables real-time communication with visitors, automates customer support, and increases user engagement on your site. Let's jump into how to install it. First, you have to log into your WordPress admin panel. From the WordPress admin panel, go to Plugins and click on Add New. Type Tidio and click Install Now. In the Appearance tab, you can modify the live chat widget. You can change the color, the positioning, add chatbot responses to suit your branding. You can customize Tidio in its own settings. Log in with your existing Tidio account, and you can change to display the chat when you're offline, on which part of the screen it's gonna show. Enable or disable the button label, change the label text, and enable widget sounds. There are a lot of pre-built chatbot templates, such as welcoming visitors or recovering abandoned carts. You can activate them from the Automations tab. Tidio supports integration with platforms like Messenger and email, ensuring seamless communication across channels. Regularly review the analytics section to track chat performance. Use the mobile app for go-to customer support, and ensure your WordPress and plugin versions are up to date for smooth functionality. If you have connection issues, you can simply reinstall the plugin or verify API keys if Tidio isn't syncing. Reduce widget animations or streamline chatbot workflows to improve speed.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.